things work. We have seen them work in Tamil Nadu. We have seen them work in chair of, like in Tamil Nadu, for instance. One term is DMK, the other term is AIDMK, despite all the charges that come up, despite all the allegations that are there. So, as far as Jagan is concerned, he was able to maintain himself as someone who is not enamored of power, because if he wanted, he could have brought down the government at that time.
Yes.
But he didn't do it. He wanted to play long term. And he has successfully built up that image in the whole state till the Telangana came. Now Telangana side, of course, he's nowhere.
So it's clearly between Jagan Mohan Reddy's party and Telugu Desam party in the Simandra region.
We can't see at the moment,
At
yes,
the moment,
as
yeah.
things stand, because Telugu Desam is perhaps the only party which can contest with certain degree of confidence, unlike the Congress party, because it is seen as undermining the interests of Simandra people. Telugu Desam gets this much credit that they have at least stood in the way, they have fought for the rights of Simandra people. So they are in the fray because of that. Otherwise, all the political surveys, opinion polls so far have suggested that it's Jagan all the way.
It's Jagan all the way. Mr. Chakrabarti, what can one make out of the rise that Jagan Mohan Reddy, he's made this kind of a thing around him, which, if it cannot be called charismatic, at least it's, to an extent, it's a little magnetic, because people have been attracted towards him, people have been a part of his rallies.